air, we find our way. With the walkie-talkies call through the night and day, our voices never fall. Buttons pressed, antennas high, on this frequency we rely, connecting hearts mile by mile, with our trusty walkie-talkie style. Talk to me through the radio waves, our secrets and dreams it safely saves. In every beep and every tone, our bond grows stronger, never alone, with the walkie-talkie radio. Over the hills and far beyond, our words travel on and on, from field to street, from dusk to dawn. This little box, our constant song, sharing laughs and sometimes tears, in good times and the bad years. With this device we have no fears, our friendship always perseveres. Talk to me through the radio waves, our secrets and dreams it safely saves. In every beep and every tone, our bond grows strong and never alone, with the walkie-talkie radio. So here's to you. In the static air, we find our way. With the walkie-talkies call through the night and day, our voices never fall.